Do you know someone with hearing loss, but they just refuse to get tested? Maybe if you didn't walk away when you were talking to them, maybe they'd be able to hear you then. What if we could just skip the test and all the I told you so's and get them some over-the-counter hearing aids for $300 for them? Use the 45-day money-back trial period and get your loved one the help they need and deserve. My name's Christina. I'm a hearing health educator and licensed specialist. Click my bio, use the link, and let's make the world a better place.